Good morning, guys. Today we will do a one-day vlog with our entrepreneurial journey of Clara and I. So we are at Google for a YouTube ads class. Mostly we are here, they will tell about YouTube and try to sell ads for us, right? And Clara, they just gave banana and coffee for breakfast. Let's see after. And we will try to show you everything because we are sleeping in LA and tomorrow we have another meeting in the Power of Words where Clara is the ambassador. Yes, you are going to do some videos tomorrow. Clara was asking me if the meeting was just me or also her, because another time I came and it was just me, so she stayed in the car and she was, I don't want to stay in the car. No, tomorrow she's creating some content. And she's already worried what she will eat tomorrow. How can I know that? You will pray? But let's say if you eat with Dad and you go, when you were in Europe with Dad, how it was? It was terrible. So with Mom, and she wants to go to Florence. We are going to Florence. That Laura is our friend in Florence and she has 3 or 4 the best restaurants, and we are going to Tiratissima. That's the pizzeria that they open. It will be so good and we will be able to hug her. We miss her a lot. And we go, Clara is going just 4 days to Florence. Did you got the best seat, Clara? Yes, just front. So you can't go out because you are in front. I don't care if you need to go to the restroom to drink. If you are sitting in front, you keep in front. Are you listen? Okay. I saw you stealing food. How about that? So Clara came to Google, YouTube, and she stole some food. Ice cream. Let's see how it goes after tomorrow. Are you behaving? 100%? 100. She was stealing food. I found her.
You know, she was stealing. She's an Italian thief, you know.
We just finished our afternoon, and what Clara is doing again? Drinking. How was the event, Clara? Did you have fun? More or less. It was too much content to follow. Yeah. Slowly we'll learn.